Hey everyone, we're going to make this beautiful lotus hanging. So let's get started. First we're going to take this pink light cleaners, fold it and tie the top as well. Now bend it. We are making the petals here. So make more such petals and paste all of them like this. We're also pasting the leaves and look, your hanging is ready. In this video, we are going to make beautiful lamp by these bamboo sticks. Make the frame by pasting all of them. Cover it using sellotape and paste colorful flowers and leaves on it. Make 4 such frames. Now we are going to combine all of them together like this. Fold it and your square is ready. Cover the base and put a fairy light inside it and look, your hanging is ready. Make a hole in red bottle cap. Make 12 red and 2 yellow bottle caps. We are going to put all the red caps on this thread and tie it. Make a circle like this. Now cut the thread and put the bottle caps around it like this and look, your hanging is ready. Take a tissue paper, cut it. Now we are going to paste bamboo sticks around it. We are making frame here. Decorate it by drawing flowers on it. We are going to spread the flowers like this. It will give beautiful texture to it. Now draw the leaves like this. Make 4 such frames. Now combine all of them and make a square. Also we are making the base like this. Put a fairy light inside it and your hanging is ready. In this video, we are going to make this lotus hanging. So cut a plastic cup. Now cut the petal like this by folding this pink craft paper. Trace the petal and cut it. After this, we are going to paste all of them like this using double-sided tape. Similar way, we are going to make the petals by cutting this green craft paper. Open it. Finally, we are going to paste the petals around this empty bottle cup like this. Cover it using different petals like this, one after another, and look, your lotus flower is ready. Paste the leaves as well at the base of the flower and look, your hanging is ready. Draw lines on this red craft paper and cut it like this using scissors. Now cut a plastic bottle and paste the red craft paper around it using double-sided tape. Here we are making lantern and look at the beautiful pattern. Paste its handle and cover it like this. Put fairy light inside it and your lantern is ready. Take this empty container, paste 4 red strips on the top of it in a crisscross way using double-sided tape. We are making ladybug here, so paste the eyes and antennas and cover all of them with black dots. Put a light inside and look, it is ready. You can also make hanging out of it. Take a white sheet of paper, draw circles on it, cut it. We are making 2 circles. In one circle we are making watermelon, in another you can make kiwi and different fruits, and paste all of them together and look, it is ready. Put a fairy light inside it. Thank you so much for watching this video.